Hello, my name's Holly, and today I'm going to present some of the latest updates to the dummy and human body model related tools in Primer version 20. As you may already know, Primer is used in conjunction with LS-DYNA for positioning dummies or human body models. To aid in this positioning, you might also want to use a positioning tree file. These are freely available through Oasys. These are encrypted files, meaning that entities coming from such files can't be viewed in a text editor or within Primer. This release version of Primer version 20 includes some upgrades to handling of such encrypted files. The positioning tree files that are provided by Primer are available for common human body models such as thumbs and GHBMC, which are available through Toyota and Elements respectively. Here, a thumbs AM50 Occupant V6.1 human body model is being used in accordance with the Primer positioning tree file. Previously, to add any encrypting file into your project, you had to manually edit the main model in a text editor, adding in the include keyword. Now, you can simply add encrypted includes through the Include File Structure panel within Primer. Once Primer has read in this file, you'll be able to see it listed with an E icon against the file name, indicating that this file is encrypted. An assembly is a collection of logically related parts of an HBM. Here we have assemblies for pelvis, thorax, head, legs, arms, and various components of the spine within a human body model. These encrypted dummy tree files contain data of how different entities of the dummies relate to one another, for example, which nodes make up which assemblies. Previously, if you needed to make changes to the composure of the dummy, you would not be able to, as these files are encrypted, meaning you could not edit the data. From version 20 of Primer onwards, you can now add entities to the dummy by editing the assemblies of it. I will demonstrate an example of this now. If we go to drag the assemblies for positioning, you can see that the feet move, however the shoes get left behind. This is because the shoe parts are additional entities and not part of the original thumbs human body model. As mentioned previously, the positioning tree file is encrypted and hence any modifications to these dummy assemblies were not allowed before. However, from version 20 of Primer onwards, you can edit the dummy assemblies to add on any extra parts you may need, such as shoes or a helmet. Open up the Edit Assembly panel and you can see that through here you can add on these extra set parts. Now, when we move the feet again, the shoes should move with them. Thank you.